Hello, it's Bears back. Got a lock for you today. It's oh, look at that sunshine. It's from FunKey MonKey, number 11. Is made on March 27th, 18. Got a mummied key. I don't know about this light. The sunshine coming in, but try to stay out of it. May have to do something about that. Let's go ahead and ram our pick in there. See what we come up with. I'm using the swoop I made. I really like this thing. I just got to copy it. It gets in these quick set keyways real well. Let's go to the back. I got to click on, I think that was 4. Come forward, a little click on 3, a little movement. Still set up above there. Go to the back again. Oh, I'm sorry, guys. Got counter. Little counter movement here. Get up here and find it. I don't know. Well, it just dropped into something there. Huh. Oh, we're open. I'll be dang. What do you know about that? Wow. That was a surprise. Trust me. Yeah. Stupid light. Shoot, of course. You get no light in a bad spot. Better see about keeping that from turning. Of course, the sunshine happens to break right through right then, you know, right when you're trying to do something. Boy, you really got to keep that just right or something to get this to turn. Okay. I think this is harder sometimes than picking the locks. Getting the dang tail pieces off. If my hands would quit shaking so bad, I'd be able to do this. Man, that doesn't want to come off of there. What the crap? Okay, finally. Yeah, that light's just coming in a little too tough. Stupid light. Where's it coming from? Right over here. I got nothing that size to block it. Still coming in. Where? From here? Here somewhere. Dang. What a pain. Sorry, folks. God. Man. If it isn't one thing, it's another, isn't it? Where'd my shim go? Over here. Jeez, folks. I already wasted a bunch of time on that stupid lighting there. Ah, look at that front pin is a overset trap. Okay, and we got threading in every one of them. All right, let's go up top and see what we got here. Well, that didn't give us too much of a fight. Little sprain. Oh, don't take off on me. No, I may have shut out too much light. Okay, can we see that? Alright. Wow, that had a spring behind it, didn't it? I mean. Okay, let's go the other way. Alright. Ooh. That one jetted out. Didn't want it out of there in a hurry. And last but not least, whoop. I'm pretty sure that had teethies on it. Yeah, going down. Pretty sure it did. And let's see what we got. Just so happens I have a light from someone. I see threading in 2 and 3 and 5. So we've got threading 2, 3, and 5. Wow, it doesn't even look like he's been up top, does it? Wow, very nicely done. Okay, so that's number 11 by Funky Monkey. And here are the pins. Get a nice shot of these. We got, okay, focus. We got a spool bottom. And then a standard in top. We got a standard in the bottom and a spool serrated type of thing. Down in the bottom here we got a spool serrated type deal, and then serrated at top. Another standard bottom and a kind of serrated, reduced kind of serrations. Then another standard in the bottom, and then a double spool and serrations. A very nice pin right there. Well, they're all nice, but that's it. That's what's in there. Thanks for watching, everybody. Stay legal and have fun. Bye.